Hello, today I'm with the POCO F5 and I'm going to show you a few camera tips and tricks. So first of all, we are going to start by using the volume buttons. They are located on the right side, and take a look. As default, they are set up to take photos with the 2 seconds delay. It works the same for the volume up and volume down. If you want to change function of these buttons, you have to go to the settings, so click on the 3 horizontal lines in the right upper corner, then go to the settings and next go to the volume buttons function. We can turn them to the shutter, the normal shutter. Take a look. Right now we don't have this 2 seconds delay and we can take normal photos. When you click and hold one of this button, as you can see, there's no any hidden function. But in the other Xiaomi smartphones, you can find the series of the photos. Next, when you click on the screen, you are also able to decrease or increase brightness level manually. To do this automatically, just click on the screen once. Next, when you go for the more modes, you can find, for example, the 64 megapixel mode. And with this mode, we are able to take photos with the more details. So take a look. Right now, when I open the preview of the photo and zoom in, take a look how many details we can find. For example, these pieces of the dust on this button and also the mess on my desk. Let's close it right now. And here we are also able to find the vlog mode. So to download it, we have to be connected to the Wi-Fi. So let me do this right now. I'm gonna connect for this network out of the camera for sure. And I'm gonna show you how to use this vlog mode because it's a very useful feature. So let's go back to the camera application. Click on the vlog mode to download. Now just be patient and wait a little bit. Okay, right now we can open it, and as you can see right here, we can find the few presets with automatic music, transitions, and other cool animations. And basically we don't even have to do anything like add this transitions manually. We just have to record short videos, and then our phone will make out of it the cool looking video. So we can pick this nostalgia. As you can see, we can find here the 9 videos that we can record. We can check if we can remove it. No, honestly we cannot, so we have to go through all of these 9 steps. So let me just show you how it works. First of all, it's a little bit out of the camera, but I want to show you everything after the phone made it. Because, wait, what I was even talking about? I mean, it's looking the best when you are, for example, outside or inside, and you have a lot of different things around you, and you can capture everything. That looks nice. I have only the gamepad, the button, and this little chair, so it's not looking impressive. Sorry for my language, it's terrible actually, but you have to get used to it. I'm gonna improve for sure. But yeah, that's the final stuff made of our phone, and we can turn on the volume. Okay, so as you can see, that's how the mode looks. And yeah, we can go to the settings, we can find other useful options. So right here, we can, for example, enable touch shutter. So let's enable this option. And take a look. Right now, when I click on the screen, we can take photos. We don't have to press this button anymore. And it's also good because we automatically catch focus by tapping on any place on the screen. When you open this menu, we are also able to activate the voice shutter. It's turned on, so we can say cheese and the photo was taken. We can also add some delay to our shutter between 3, 5 or 10 seconds, and after this time the photo will be taken. Okay, so that's all my tips and tricks for the camera on the POCO F5. So that's all for this video, hope you like it.